Okay, ladies, so at this point, hopefully you already have your photograph. If not, ask somebody how to set up that document. Remember, you're going to select on layer 1. That's your photograph layer. So we're going to go over to our quick select tool, make a selection. I first need to deselect my old selection. Click and drag. Now I got too much rock, so I'm going to hold down the Option key and remove some of that selection. So holding down the Option key, just remove, and then I could just click and I've got a pretty nice looking rock. So again, making sure you're on the plus up here, holding down the Option to minus. I need to make a new layer, so I'm going to click down here, make a new layer. I'm going to come over here, pick a new color. So we're going to go pink on this one. And then I'm going to come over to my paint bucket and fill that in. One click, that's all it should take. So I filled it in with pink. I'm going to deselect it. And I'm going to change my layer mode. So pick a layer mode that you haven't used in the past. Ooh, that made it sort of green and pink. So I like it. I'm going to keep that. Now, I need to go back to my photograph. So go back to your photograph, go to your selection tool, select another object. Remember, hold down that Option if you have too much. Okay, I've got my rock, make a new layer, go to my paint bucket, choose a new color, hit OK. We're going to fill that in. I'm going to go to normal and change my layer mode. Now, here's the nice part. I'm going to deselect that. If I have something I don't want, I'm going to go to my eraser, make sure I'm on the orange layer, and I can just erase part of that. Now, obviously, that's not what I want to do in this instance, but you can erase anything. I could go back to my blue layer, and I could erase stuff if it got extra color somewhere I don't want it. So use your eraser tool, use your tools, and then just save it. That should be all you need to know. So select on the photograph, fill on a new layer.